friends at home. Happy Monday. All right, we're here at school ready for number corner. So we left off on Friday. So I am going to flip over Saturday, and I want you just to take a look. Because today is Monday, so we have a couple days to go. So this was Saturday. Ooh, check this out. This was yesterday. What will be under this square today? I want you to think about what will be under this square. So remember, we had acorns and walnuts, and now we have 3. And then move to 2, 4, 6, 7 pumpkins. What will be under our square? We have lots of hands already. Good job, my friends. So at home, you should be thinking about what is underneath this square. June, what do you think?
I think it's going to be a 12 and more pumpkins.
A 12 for the number. How'd you figure that out?
Because after 11 comes 12.
Good. And then you said more pumpkins because we can see that there's pumpkins. Kendall, what do you think?
I think there's going to be 7 pumpkins total.
How do you know that?
Because there's 7 pumpkins there, and one of the pumpkins will change a different color.
Ooh, that is
and
some
the number
good thinking.
12.
And the number 12. Adelie, something different?
I think it'll be 12, and I think it will. Then I think it's going to change. Then I think one of them are going to change the color green.
Ooh, are we ready to check out what's underneath this square? I'm going to show my friends at home first. And here at school. We were right. Does anyone know what this is? Elizabeth? Very close.
A cucumber.
Ooh, it looks like it.
Green pumpkin.
No, not quite. Zucchini. It's another vegetable.
Zucchini.
So it's in a garden as well. Just like we learned that pumpkins grow on what? What do pumpkins grow on? Adelie?
Vine.
A vine. So how many pumpkins are here, Nevaeh? How many pumpkins?
6.
6. How'd you figure that out so quick?
Because it's 3.
Look at what she did. She said there's 3 and 3, so we know that's 6. Good. And someone said the number 12, actually a couple of you. Because after 11 comes 12. So I'm going to go over and actually let's do our grid. What am I going to write for our grid today? So the date is 10-12-20. What's at the top of our number tree today? Henry? Wait, that's our number. That's our date. Remember, look at our picture to help you. Gavin?
We do 6 and 1.
So what's the total if we have 6 and 1? What would be at the top of our number tree? What's 6 and 1 more? 7. Good. And how do you know it's going to be 6 and 1, Gavin? What made you know that?
Because one pumpkin's missing, and then there's 6 more.
Yeah, there's a pumpkin missing. There's 6 pumpkins and 1 more. So what would be our equation, our math equation for our number tree? Nevaeh?
7
Equals what?
12.
Look at our number trees. 7 equals 6 plus what, Nevaeh? Here's the other number in our number tree. 6 plus 1. Everyone hold up 6 fingers for me. So at home you should be doing that too.
I'm doing 3.
Go like this. You could go 3 and 3. I see some of my friends. You could go 4 and 2, right? Just add 1 more finger to it. How many altogether, Kendall?
7.
7. So we know that our answer is 7. Let's go over and change our date. This is a little tricky because we had the weekend, so be careful. We're still in October, so we're going to leave the 10 for October. What is our date, Adelie?
It's gonna be 10-12.
Good, dash what? Dash what? 20, because that's our year, so that's going to stay the same. So you're right, it is October 12th, 2020. What about our days in school? Watch this. Ooh, we're getting close to a fun number. I'm going to erase all of this. I want you to take a look while I'm erasing, just in your mind, and I want you to think about how many days in school. My friends at home, I'm going to bring the computer so you can see it a little bit better, our chart. And think about how many days in school. And I want you to think about the ways that you're figuring that out. Who thinks they have an answer for me? Gavin?
So I knew there was 20, and then I knew there was 5, and then I knew there was 4 more.
Oh, so say that again. What did you do? You knew that there was 20.
And then I knew that there was 5 more and then 4.
Then you knew that there was 5 more because of this line, right?
Yeah.
5 plus 4 more is what? What's the answer? 29. That is a great way to get 29 by using our chart. Who did it a different way? You could have done it many different ways. Kendall, what's the way that you used?
It was easy because I knew that there was a 20, and then I saw that there was 5 and 4, so I knew that 9 and 20 equal 29.
Ooh, so you did 20 plus 9 equals 29. Good. Who has a different way that they got that answer? Adelie.
I said 10, 20,
10.
and then I just counted the other one.
So 10 plus 10 equals what, Adelie?
10 plus 10 equals 29.
10 and 10 is 20, right? 10, 20, and 9 more is 29. Who is a different way? Mrs. Owen did it a different way, so I'm wondering if anyone did it the way I did it. Look at this chart. Is there another way you could have done this? June? Oh, so you counted by 2s. That's a great way too. I want you to take a look at this empty square. If we fill up this square, how many would be in this row? Henry? 10. So do you want to know what Mrs. Owen did? I said 10, 20, 30. But it's not 30, right? Because we still have an empty square. So this is what I did. 30 minus 1 equals what, my friends? Henry? 29. Do you see that? Because I see there's only one blank square. So I knew that we have to subtract just one square because it's not filled in yet. So 30, take away 1, is 29. Maybe.
Mrs. Owen,
Yes.
why do you have to color the black line right there?
Why did I color them in?
Yeah.
So I colored them in so you could see that that's a whole decade or a bundle. So you can easily see it's 10, 20, right? But now I want to do something different. I want you to take a look at our, what is this called? Again, someone raise their hand and tell me, what is this called? My My same friends keep raising their hands. Does anyone else know? Yes. This is a number line. Say that. Number line.
Number line.
What is underneath this? What do you think is under this blank? Number card. What is under that number card? Who thinks they know? So my friends at home, I'm not sure if you can see it. Oh, you can see it, I think. But it starts with 11. And I want to know what is under here.
11, 12, 13, 14.
Shh, in your minds, friends. What is under there? June?
15.
How'd you know that?
Because I know that 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
So you counted. You counted on. What about, let's see, what is underneath this one? Way over here. Right here is 20. So what is under here? Gavin,
25.
how'd you figure that out?
Because I started to the 20 and then I counted up more.
Started at the 20 and counted on again. What about under this one? Our last square over here. Kendall,
30.
how'd you know that?
I didn't even need a count because I didn't even need to say any numbers in my head. I just thought there was 29 and then 30. One more is 30.
So you know that one more is 30.
And that's pretty easy to know.
That was easy for you.
You
So
were
after
counting by
29.
5. You were adding by 5.
You are right. How did you know that, Kendall?
Because you used the, so you started at the 11 and put the 15 and then 20, 25 and then 30 comes next.
Look at what she noticed. Watch where I point. Say that. 15, 20, 25, 30. What's 5 more after 30? What comes next? Gavin?
35.
35. What about after 35? Henry? What comes after 35? 5 more. 40. What about 5 more? Adelie?
60.
Ooh, not quite. What's 5 more of 40? Elizabeth? Not quite. Only 5 more, Henry.
45.
45. And then what? 50. Good job. All right, my friends, you can tiptoe back to your desk.